First and foremost, this is not a motorcycle. This is my electric scooter, which has mountain bike handlebars on it. But Joyroom, they sent me their motorcycle phone mount, and I want to see if it's compatible with things other than motorcycles. So we'll pop that on there, or we'll drop it. That's one way to do it too. But this is what we've got for our holder right here. We've got this pad to help secure things in there, and then we have a lock on the back so that you can get it where you need it, and then set it and forget it. We have a standard clamp, but this is a nice heavy duty clamp that actually has some weight to it, and we have the ball mount right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll undo this, and what I can tell right here is because of the way it's designed, you can actually fit it on these smaller handlebars. This is the perfect setting for me, and obviously you have a lot of swiveling that you can do, so you can adjust it however you need to, but this is an easy spot, so I can take this and I can just pop the switch, I can open it up, it's a little bit spring loaded, and then get it where I want, lock it in. Then when you're doing maneuvers, turns, leans, all that stuff, you don't have to worry about your phone falling out because it is secured all the way around, rubber in each corner, and it fully encapsulates your phone on there. So we saw that this will do real small phones, but it also do the real big ones. And if you need things to be well situated, then easy to adjust on whatever you have that has handlebars, then this one from Joyroom, that's a good way to go.